Good evening and welcome to this week's edition of Midweek Magic Club. I thank each one of you for taking out time from your very busy schedule and being here. Today, I think this is the greatest investment you have made because when we invest in ourselves, it is not only do we change our own lives, but we change the lives of those around us. Today's topic is very, very interesting. It is the topic taken by our very own money magnet, Mr. Sanjeev Mishra. He'll be speaking about passive income. But before he does that, I would like to just share with you a little bit about our company, Rapid Mile. Rapid Mile was earlier known as Golden Inspiration, and they have been in the business of training people over the last 16 to 17 years. At first, they talked about and trained people on the Silva Ultramind system and then shifted towards the law of attraction. They have taken many workshops and trainings across India. And now, during this time when we are in our homes, we have taken it as an opportunity to reach out to all of those people who are interested in learning and growing. And so we meet here today in this magical club. And I'm going to hand over now to Sanjeev. So let's give a very warm welcome to Sanjeev. If you all can now unmute yourselves for just a moment and give a round of applause. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, everyone. I just clapped for yourself also because I'm very thankful to all of you. Being a Wednesday evening, midweek, 7:30 p.m. Most of the places it is cold now, at least in North India. But you people are here to learn something, and you people are laying your faith on us and Rapid Mile. So I'm really thankful to you. So just before starting, I would request, if there is no much big problem, at least you can keep your video on so that we can be more in discussion more, because that will be better for your learning and it excites me to see your live faces here. Thank you so much. How many of you know me actually, and how many of you are seeing me for first time? Write Y if you know me and write N if you don't know me. I'll be giving pain to your fingers and mouth because it's about your financial freedom, which I will be talking today. Oh, so most of the people know me. So before I start, how many of you are in job, or how many of you are self-employed or doing your own business? For job, you write job. For business, you write B or business, or for self-employed, you can write SE. So I see most of, only one or two people are in job. Most of them are self-employed or businessmen. So the trend is changing in India. No? When we were young, we were told that you have to study hard, work hard, and then go get a government job. And I did so. So before I start, let me tell you something about me. I am Sanjeev Mishra. I am by profession civil engineer. I did engineering and then MTech from IIT Delhi. And then I finally landed up in a government job. I served there for 15 years. But I was always looking for something extra in my life. So in that sense, I always get into some businesses. I made money. That's a whole other story, but I'm not going into it. But then there was a phase which came in my life around 2017-18 when I was actually broke. Not because I could not make money, just because I made money but mismanaged it. And that phase was very troublesome for me. And on one night, I actually told my wife that enough is enough. This is not going to repeat in my life. and I promised her. And then in the start of 2019, I started looking for a kind of income which is in passive in nature, which we'll be discussing today. So I figured 2, 3 fields and I started learning about that. I started getting more information, going into depth. I started playing with them. I started putting hands in with them. And finally, I could figure out as late as in 2019 that what is my area of work. And I started working on that. And in the lockdown period, I worked hard on it. And just after the lockdown period, I could see that I'm able to replace my government job salary. So after a good experience and good assessment of what I'm doing, I actually quit my job in October 2020 with a mission also that as I have become financially free by replacing my source of income by a method which is of passive nature, I want to make my next generation free. I want my next generation not to work beyond age of 40 for money. Like if they love their work, they may work. But if they are going there for money, then money comes from some other sources also, and which is very easy. So this is why I have attracted you people in this workshop. So how many of you are excited to know about passive money, passive income? Write in chat box why. Everybody's excited. Thank you so much. So before I start about passive income, what is active income actually? What do you understand by active income?
Something which needs my time and effort in order
Okay,
to
good.
generate it.
Anybody else? Which you get on monthly basis. Okay, regular income, I guess you do something and get it. Yes. So you all are correct, but in my words, the income which is generated by trading our time, that is called active income. We put some time into it, we do some work, and then we generate some income. But all the time it requires me there. So I am trading my time with that job. Then only I am able to generate income. That is called active income. Got this point? So what is the problem in the active income? Because you are trading time for the income. So anybody is sick at your home, but you need to trade your time. You cannot take care of him or her. You want to go for relaxation to vacation, but you can't go because you need to trade time for your income. You can't visit your parents because you need to trade your time for income. So that was the pain point. Not having life of my choice was my pain point. Mismanagement was my another pain point for life in last 1.5 years. So now I'll come to what you understand by passive income. As I told, it will be more of discussion type thing. So I would like to know what you know about passive income. Anybody? You can chat or you can unmute yourself and tell me.
Anything where I keep getting money, I keep getting an income without my physical involvement, without my time going into that activity or instrument. That is passive income for me.
Great. There are
think
many answers and they're almost correct. So how do we do that? how do we replace ourselves from trading that time?
Well, you make some investment somewhere where you can earn some money. That could be the passive income.
Yes. So we actually create an asset or a system which generates income for us. So in that way, we are not required to trade our time regularly, or very less time is required to generate that sort of income. So what are the possible ways you think people are making passive income today, or they have been making passive income for long days? And other? What else? What else? Certain automated business. Any side business. Side business, Ria, how it will give passive income? It will require your involvement in that franchise. How about singers?
Content creation in the form of
Pardon?
videos or books. Content creation.
Yeah. So there is a skill. The skill is another way of creating passive income. If you are a skill, if you have a skill and you set an excellence in that, then also people make passive income through it. Lata Mangeshkar, Kishore Kumar is no more, but you know Amit Kumar's income is lesser than the income he gets from the royalty of the Kishore Kumar song.
Yeah.
Writing a book, author, scientists, poets. So if there is a skill, asset, or a system, you can generate passive income. So my question to you is this: आप इसमें कहाँ पे fit आते हैं? Where do you find yourself fit?
अभी तो जो
If
सारे
you are willing to create a passive income.
आज की डेट में तो मैं जितनी चीजें कर रहा हूँ वो सारी एक्टिव ही है, मतलब पैसिव एक भी अभी तक हुआ नहीं.
But what you can think of where
Okay.
you can fit yourself in future, starting from today.
Yeah, trading the capital markets is one avenue for me.
Mhm. So what is the intention of creating passive income? Have you heard about word freedom?
Yes.
What does word freedom means? What does word freedom means? When you think of freedom, what is obstructing you always?
Your direct presence, your commitment, of time. Those are the things which come on the way.
But I could get your direct.
So if you are not trading your time, that is the basic crux of having the passive income.
So that in short, we can say that money is the main obstruction in living the freedom life. For many of us, at least.
Yes, until someone has sufficient money where he probably thinks that he can keep enjoying his life and he will never need more money and more passive income will keep coming. Yes, so freedom is definitely important.
So what we are doing, what I have done, and what I suggest people to do, although it will be up to people what they will be doing, what I suggest people to do, if you can somehow replace, create a passive income, a income which is not all the time dependent on you, which is more than your current liabilities, then you are free at least. Why I'm telling this, because when we talk about financial freedom, our mind creates a picture that financial freedom is not for us. Maybe it's such a big thing that it cannot be done. So by my example, you can just think, you can start just replacing your active income to passive income to such an extent that your liabilities are covered with that. So then you can live a financial freedom life. So my motto to tell you is that it is actually possible. Though you are not singer, though you are not writer, though you are not actor.
Agreed. This makes a lot of sense.
So that is the main thing, that we have to first get into that mindset that it can be done by ourselves also. We can also do that if we are willing. So when I talk about liabilities, we should also talk about assets we can generate, assets which can generate income for us. So when I say word asset, tell me what are the assets? What do you mean by asset and what do you understand by liability? Probably I will be breaking one of your myth today. So in your knowledge, what is asset and what is liability? Anybody? And what is asset, Millie? Things. The asset what I am telling, जिसके लिए हम लोग कहते हैं ना कि घर को हम normally we say asset है हमारा, उस terms में I am talking about assets, which we feel कि FD, houses, etc. Yes.
An asset is
Uh,
something. Okay, go
Yes.
ahead. Go ahead.
please go ahead, ma'am. Please go ahead.
Okay. An asset is something that puts money into our pocket. And a liability is something that takes money out of it.
So I also go with this definition. This is not mine. This is Robert Kiyoski's definition. He says it's very simple. Anything which is putting money in your pocket, it is your asset. Anything which is taking money out of your pocket, that is your liability. Unfortunately, because of surrounding, because of rat race, we fall into trap and pile up our liabilities thinking that they are assets. For example,
True.
our parents didn't have a house till they reached their retirement. And when today youngsters start the job, first they buy mobile, then car, and third is house. So there is nothing wrong in that. But they think that they have created an asset, but actually they create a liability on themselves by paying a regular EMI, which is taking out money from their pocket in a temptation that this property will give me some return later stage. And tell me now, the property in which you are residing, will it be giving money to you anytime? It will be transferred to your son and then to his son, and people will keep actually living in that. So it will never be monetized for you. So my suggestion for everybody is, whenever you are going to create an asset which you think asset, I don't say that just don't do it or postpone it till long. Just think in the term that if I am able to cater this new liability with my passive income, you getting my point? I am creating an EMI of 50,000 per month extra. So is there a way out that in the starting, I work for 4 to 5 years in such a way that I am generating 50,000 extra income without my physical presence? That is passive income. So we can plan like that. But unfortunately, I also got trapped in that. Till I read the book of Rich Dad, I also thought that I have properties or assets. Then after I realized actually I have piled up my liabilities only. I was not in a position to quit my job just because I have to pay my regular EMIs. Forget about urgencies, medical. These expenditures were fixed on my head. And this is the trap where youngsters are getting into. You remember our parents have a budgeting system?
Yes.
But
Yeah.
now हम क्या society में we have developed spending habits by seeing others, but we are not learning the budgeting habits by seeing others. We don't get into house of other. कि आपने ये गाड़ी ली, what is your financial management system? मैंने देखा उसने गाड़ी ली, he has spent money, I'll spend money, right? So I made all these mistakes, and that brought me into a trap of which I can say broke. Means I was having some so-called properties, assets, but there was no cash flow to take care of me because I have piled up so much of liabilities. So what can be done? Now we will talk about what can be done for that. Being a law of attraction practitioner and money coach, I don't say कि अपने emotions को दबा के रखो. But when I say that learn budgeting from your parents, today in this world, we can learn methods to increase our income also. So if you are going to, if you love that lifestyle, then own it and make more income. And there are multiple sources around you. So we'll start from basic concept and understand कि किस तरीके का cash flow available है हमारे पास और हम किस segment में आते हैं. And what can be done from here. How many of you have seen this quadrant? This is a cash flow quadrant given by Robert Kiyosaki. E stands for employed, S E stands for self-employed, B stands for business, and I stands for investments. I'm not going into detail of it. Just I assume that we all people are here. Unfortunately, there are 95% in the world who lie here, and they have 5% of the wealth. Here there are 5% people, but they cater 95% of the wealth of the world. Because these two, employed and self-employed, are trading their time only. So their income is totally dependent on. So can you tell me where you lie? I want the answer from business, whoever has said that they lie, they are doing business. Some people answered that they are doing business. I want the answer. Where do you find yourself in this cash flow quadrant? Generally, we assume we confuse the self-employment with business. In employment, we work for others and we get salary. Here, we work for our shop, establishment, or whatever, and we are doing the same thing employee is doing for ourselves. So we are, हम अपने ही दुकान के नौकर हो जाते हैं. So these two segments are trading for time, and these two people are doing something different, which is very smart and which creates passive income. But the good news is that if you are here, you can shift to this place or this place right from tomorrow. How many of you would like to know about that? Type Y if yes, type N if you don't want to know about it. But because it will give some pain. So many people are willing to know about it. So let us quickly see how we generate today income. Our income is rate into time, as we have discussed. that we trade time. What is rate? Rate is our value, which is our upon skill set. Am I right? If right, right, why? If you feel I am writing the right formula for income, that is rate into time, then please write why. Okay, you understood. So what we are doing right now, we are trying to increase our rate all the time. Because we think that money, this time has a cap of 10 hours, or maybe if you can work round the clock, 24 hours in a day. इससे ज्यादा टाइम तो नहीं दिया, किसी के पास 25 घंटे हो तो मुझे बता देना. Just type why if you have 25 hours in a day and n if you don't have. So Abhinav doesn't have 25 hours. So nobody has. So for starting, there is no harm that you have to depend on your skill. And you need to increase your rate. जैसे जैसे आप अपना skill develop करेंगे, your rate will increase and then your income will increase. But what if I say that actual money is when you start increasing your time? Is it possible that we can increase our time? Shah says yes. Balram sir says impossible. Abhinav says yes. Anybody who thinks employ people for yourself, good. Maybe. How, Ria? Maybe. Anila says yes. Yes, it is actually possible. You have developed a skill set. You start duplicating yourself. Create your clones. Let them work with you as a team. Share your profit. If you work for 10 hours, you create a team of 10 people, they all work for 10 hours. Then your total working is 100 plus 10, 110 hours. Do you think it can be done like that? So I'm talking about when we are self-employed. I'm not talking exactly in job. So this is quite possible when we talk about increasing time. And what do you think businessmen are doing? Mukesh Ambani might be having 50,000 or 1 lakh employee or 10,000 employee. So in a day, he works 1 lakh hours. His team works for 1 lakh hours. हमारी पूरी life में we cannot work for 1 lakh hours. So his daily income, you might be knowing, is more than our whole life income. Agree with that? Type agree if you agree. So you need to learn how to develop skill and how to create team. Can anybody tell me one example where a big team was created? I have written the name also. RackRock actually is called as the pioneer of franchise system. So I'm not just talking about franchise system. There are many ways to multiply your time. This is one of them. Just showing the example, the power of time multiplication. RackRock is said to be pioneer of franchise system. Actually, he does not have, but he created a new kind of franchise system. So he's called as pioneer. And how many of you know McDonald's, or you have went there or ate something? कोई मैकडोनल्ड गया हमारे बीच में से? If there may be around 1 lakh आउटलेट तो होंगे वर्ल्ड वाइज. अगर एक आउटलेट से भी उसको 100 रुपए आते होंगे प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग मॉडल में, जहां पे फ्रेंचाइज का रेंट उसका खर्चा सारा उसका है, RackRock या मैकडोनल्ड इसको कुछ पैसा नहीं देती. उसने सिर्फ अपना ब्रांड नेम दिया है, अपनी स्किल को उसके साथ शेयर किया, तो वो एक दिन में 100 लाख रुपए बनाता है। इससे ज्यादा होंगे, आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग यू द एग्जांपल। इज रैक रॉक वर्किंग टुडे? ही इज बीनीथ द अर्थ, but his family is getting money and will keep on getting this money till McDonald's work. How many of you think that McDonald's is going to shut down someday? Although their son and they might be handling it so that they can improve their technology and all that, but the core work has already done by RackRock. So this is called as duplication, where we can create our team. If you are a self-employed people, you can hire people, create, give them your skill, and so that they can work and you can multiply your time and earn more money. Is it making sense? Pratik is saying, I don't think. Pratik, why don't you think? Can you unmute yourself? Okay, he wrote there, I don't think. Okay. मैंने सोचा अभी कोई क्वेरी उनके दिमाग में। सो अभी मैंने आपसे प्रॉमिस किया था कि व्हाट यू कैन डू जस्ट फ्रॉम टुमारो। कितने लोग वो चीज जानना चाहते हैं? व्हाट वी कैन डू राइट फ्रॉम टुमारो। अभी मेरे पास टीम नहीं है, आई एम सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयड हूं या नहीं हुआ, आई एम इन जॉब और वॉट एवर। सो अनदर सिस्टम जो बच गया उसमें, दैट वाज इन्वेस्टर। अब जब मेरे को इन्वेस्टर वर्ड आता है तो व्हाट कम्स इन माय माइंड? अभी तो फिर भी लोग एंजल इन्वेस्टर जानने लगे, अदरवाइज इन्वेस्टर माने कोई बहुत बड़ा आदमी। करेक्ट, यही इंप्रेशन आती है। बट व्हाट आई टेल कि आप कल से इन्वेस्टमेंट कर सकते हैं। सो आप लोग करते भी हैं, बट यू आर जस्ट नॉट अवेयर ऑफ दिस कि हाउ इट कैन बी कन्वर्टेड टू पैसिव इनकम सोर्स। अंडरस्टैंड? क्योंकि मेरे को एक कॉल आता है कि आपके लिए बेस्ट इन्वेस्टमेंट है और मैं अपने पैसे उसको दे देता हूं, और 3 साल बाद पता चलता है कि जितने मैंने पैसे लगाए थे उससे कम पे है वो मेरा इन्वेस्टमेंट, या उसके आसपास ही है। कितने लोग के साथ ऐसा हुआ है जब यूलिप आई थी? हैव यू हर्ड द वर्ड यूलिप? How many of you actually felt cheated? So that mutual fund guy, the insurance guy will never tell you about their hidden agendas. So my first suggestion is कि जो लोग इंश्योरेंस कराते हैं, don't mix insurance with your investment. They are totally different thing. So how many of investment do you people know or you heard about? Have you heard about investment in gold? Yes. Then stocks. अरे बाप रे, इसका नाम मतलब ये तो एकदम गिर जाता है। म्यूचुअल फंड्स, एफडीज, सेविंग अकाउंट्स। कितने लोग इस 5 में से कोई भी 2 या 3 चीज ऑलरेडी यूज कर रहे हैं अभी? एटलीस्ट 3। गुड। Gold, Ria, you have purchased for emotional reasons or for investment purpose? Because like house, one people may sell his house in a day, but he will never sell his wife's gold in India at least. तो वही मिक्सिंग हो जाती है ना इमोशंस के साथ, बिकॉज वी आर इन इंडिया। इंडिया में हमें बचपन से वी हैव बीन क्रिएटेड टू थिंक अबाउट स्टेटस, वी हैव नेवर बीन टॉट टू थिंक अबाउट वेल्थ। आई एम राइट? People get education to get a red light beacon on their car. Power, status, people earn money to spend on their daughter's marriage. And what they say proudly, इसी के लिए तो कमाया था. This again is not my word. ये मुझे अभी कुणाल शाह के पॉडकास्ट में सुनने को मिला, and I realized it is very true. We were never told to be creative in wealth side. Anyway, so 2005 to today, gold has gone 10 times. How many of you were there in 2005? But I know gold सबके पास थोड़ा थोड़ा होगा, मे बी इन्वेस्टमेंट के पर्पज से नहीं हो, शादी ब्याह के हिसाब से. तो दिस इज वन इनकम. स्टॉक्स इंडेक्स निफ्टी हैज राइज 3 times from 2005 to till date. Mutual fund it depends 8 to 15% तक रिटर्न दे देते हैं. सेविंग इज जस्ट फॉर पार्किंग योर मनी, उससे रिटर्न कुछ नहीं आता. एंड सेम इज विद एफडी, क्योंकि विद द चेंज ऑफ पॉलिसी रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट बहुत कम होता जा रहा है. जितना पहले सेविंग अकाउंट में मिलता था, अब वो मोटा मोटी एफडीज में मिल रहा है. आर यू पीपल अवेयर अबाउट दिस? या वो बैंक से फोन आता है कि सर पैसे खाली पड़े हैं, उसको एफडी में डाल दो, तो हम डाल देते हैं कि तू डाल दे यार, मेरे पैसे तू संभाल ले, मैं तो अपना सुबह से शाम तक खटूंगा, पैसे कमाऊंगा, फिर तू मेरे पैसे संभाल दियो, क्योंकि आई एम इलिटरेट इन दिस फील्ड. ऐसा कितने के साथ होता है? सो व्हाट आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट कि मैंने पिछले 15 साल में ये सब कुछ नहीं किया था. आई जस्ट डिड इन 2 years. स्टार्टेड मैनेजिंग माई मनी. लेकिन चूंकि मैंने कम टाइम में किया, तो मैंने बहुत एग्रेसिव सेविंग की और बहुत एग्रेसिवली मैंने इनकम भी जनरेट की पैरेलल. If you are not in that mindset, what I suggest with people's experience and what I have read in one book, only 10% of income per annum, per month. Just forget about it and invest. And see the beauty in 15 years. One asset I forget, properties. If you can buy it in cash, or you can handle the EMI with your passive income, yes, you can go for properties. Or if you are sure that you will be generating rental income as equivalent to your EMI, if you go into commercial properties, you can get this property free in another 6 to 10 years, depending on the locality and all. And then this property is totally free for you, and you can keep the passive income for the whole life. And my friend Amjad has written a book on this, how to filter out and how to find out the best property. And he claims that anybody who even can invest 50,000 today can be financially free in another 10 years by investing in properties. So there are fields, but just we need to be aware. तो जैसा मैंने आपको प्रॉमिस किया था, I'm just giving you 1 minute. Go back, look for a jar and bring it here to this table. Everybody will bring a jar if they are actually serious on creating passive income in coming 5 to 7 years. Video on and show me the jar so that I can tell. Video on, please. Thank you. Show me the jar. So clap for Parul ji. Abhinav has also brought. What about Riya? What about others? So you will name this jar as Financial Freedom Account. And just calculate whatever is your monthly income or yearly income, depending on your profession, it is business or self-employed or job. Calculate your daily income, approximate. Suppose it comes to किसी की अगर सैलरी 90,000 to 3,000 डेली हो गया तो उसका 10% कितना हुआ 300 rupees. So start putting 10% of your daily income into this jar for whole life. You will not touch this amount even in emergencies. You will better take a loan from your friend, but you will not touch this amount. And here comes the law of attraction in picture. This jar will create magic in your life. Even if it is 1 rupees daily or 1,000 rupees daily. But since I insist that at least you should start saving 10% of your income, so the best way is 10% daily का income इसमें डाल दो. But अगर अभी आपकी liabilities ज्यादा है, you are not able to save 10% right now, तो अभी you start with 1 rupee. But that has to be done daily. कितने लोग इसको करेंगे? This is my
I just would like to share my experience. This is my jar. I started it last year, and recently I counted the amount. It has crossed more than 50,000 rupees.
Thank you, Shaz,
Sure.
for sharing. So, from today you have to start practicing this. This session is very short to go into deep into it, but the methods of time multiplication and money multiplication which I have taught you, I will suggest start learning step by step about something. Maybe it is stock, maybe it is mutual fund. Do it at your own. Let some amount be burnt. It's okay if you lose 200, 500, but you get a learning. कुछ गलती कर दो कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, बट स्टार्ट लर्निंग. जो मैं आपसे बता रहा था कि मेरा जो सोर्स ऑफ इनकम बना वो बना है स्टॉक मार्केट, एंड विद इन 4 months आई कुड रिप्लेस अप्रोक्सीमेटली माय सैलरी इनकम जो थी, आई हैव रिप्लेस्ड विद स्टॉक मार्केट ट्रेडिंग. So it can be for you, it may not be for you, but start figuring out. Spend some time, spend some money on learning the financial management. With this, I am done. I am just sharing your sheet, note down, and work upon it after this session. So that will be a revelation for you. I did it around 1.5 years back. You can see my screen?
Yes.
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 तो ये शीट बनाई थी, तो इसका नाम दिया था कच्चा चिट्ठा. मैंने अपना कच्चा चिट्ठा बनाया था कि वेयर आई एम स्टडी. मैं अपने उम्र के 42 या 43 इयर्स के पड़ाव पे फाइनेंशियली कहाँ पे स्टैंड कर रहा हूँ. मतलब मुझे 43 साल बाद पहली बार वो टाइम मिला था जब मैंने इसको वर्कआउट किया था. एंड आई एम श्योर कि आप में से बहुत लोग आज तक नहीं किए होंगे इस चीज को, इसीलिए इस वर्कशॉप में. तो टुडेज टास्क इज, अपने आप को देखिए वेयर यू आर स्टैंडिंग. फाइंड आउट व्हाट इज दैट अमाउंट दैट यू कैन पुट इनटू द जार फ्रॉम टुमारो and start doing it. and we will see the result in another 30 days, maybe 60, not more than. Share your experience in midweek Magic Club WhatsApp group. Ask your questions there. With this, I am done, and I'm going back to Anila ji to take it further. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much.
Thank you so much,
Thank you
Sanjeev.
so much.
That was a very enlightening session indeed. And thank you very much, Sanjeev. And can we all again give Sanjeev a nice round of applause? I think that was very practical. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, everybody.
Now
Thank you for listening.
I now open up the session for questions. Please feel free to ask any questions, and we will take it from there. Any questions?
Ashok sir, lifelong rakhna.
How long will keep this money in the jar? Lifelong?
Lifelong, and you will, as you transfer your property to your son, you will transfer this to your son or your children. This is a magic which attracts money into your life. And we have felt it, just not read it, we have felt it.
Okay. How it is working? It is because of law of attraction?
Yes.
I have a question, sir.
Yeah.
Go right.
Yeah. So, as Sanjeev sir said, you have to take a jar and you have to put a money, and like it can be any of the amount depending upon how much you want on how much ever you have. So like do this for long life, but while putting, we should at least, law of attraction says you should do anything with feelings, right? So what should be the feeling at that particular moment when you put in their money so that it really works?
I need to answer?
Yeah, okay.
Go ahead, Sanjeev.
Thank you, Anila. So always be in a feeling of gratitude.
Okay. Thank you for everything, whatever I have, and this is money which I am putting in my jar to, like, for me or for my future.
Great. Yes. And I guarantee you
Okay.
within 5
Thank
years
you.
you are financially free.
Sure. I would love that. Thank you.
We need not count it. We just go and put it in the bazaar. That's all. Is it so?
No, you can count it in 60 days, 90 days, because cash agar aap zyada dal rahe, then you can put it to bank, or you can buy stocks, or you can invest it somewhere.
Okay.
So that means we can withdraw also from the jar?
No,
No, we cannot do
that is
that.
not. That has been taught to us, and actually it is the way it works.
Okay.
And you can read about it more elaborately on Secret of Millionaire Mind by T. Harv Eker.
Yeah, please type it in the chat. Secret of?
Yeah. Millionaire Mind. It is a book, and it is available in audio video modes also. Means YouTube and other audio books.
Okay.
Any more questions?
So I think questions are done, and we are open for any question, queries in the groups also. Don't hesitate, be active. Your energy will keep that group moving. Together we can achieve more. It's all about energy and frequency. So कितने लोग को डिफिकल्टी होती है इतना सब सीखने के बाद उसको एक्चुअली इंप्लीमेंट करने में? बी फ्रैंक. So can
Yeah, a
you
little bit
lend
actually.
कि मैं आपसे आपके 21 दिन उधार मांगूंगा, सिर्फ 21 days. Will you be able to give me 21 days, half an hour?
Sure.
कितने लोग देंगे इसको?
Surely, yes.
So all of you who are ready to lend me this 1 hour, I guarantee that this 21 days, which Anila will be talking about, will bring a 180-degree shift in your life. So I would like that Anila may speak about, and then we can her program.
Thank you. Yes, I am extremely excited about the next program that's coming up. We are starting on the 1st of December. This is a program that is called 21 Magical Mornings. The reason for this is this. We all attend lots of classes, we read lots of books, we watch lots of instructional videos and go to workshops. But you know, that's where it stops. We don't implement anything. And when we don't implement, we don't get results. Isn't that true? I mean, we have read so much about diets, but when it comes to actually implementing that diet, nothing happens. And so we stay the same. And then we say, oh, these diets are useless and this and that. But this is the reason why we have started this. And we are launching it, especially in this group first. In other words, this is a fresh launch and this is the launch pad, the Midweek Magic Group, Midweek Magic Club, to tell you the truth. Now, it's a 21-day program. Every morning at 6:15 sharp, I'm going to start. And I'm going to take you through actual implementation of the things that are going to help you to raise your vibration, to get into alignment, to start allowing that amazing, the amazing things that you desire into your life. And this is going to be truly magical because by the end of it, you are going to be setting a new habit. 21 days is how much it takes, how long it takes for us to create a new habit. The session will be only for 30 minutes. And in that power pack session, you are going to go through practices and start implementing things that are going to change your life forever, from theory to practical. And so today, and we're going to post the ad today itself in the Midweek Magic Club, go ahead, register. It will be a paid program, but a very small amount for the value that you're going to get in your life, because you are going to see a 180-degree change in your life. So I welcome you, and I'm very excited to start this on the 1st of December. I want to see all of you there. Thank you. Shaz has already posted the WhatsApp group link. And so we're ready to bring this session to a close. Sanjeev, would you like to finish with something?
Yeah, just this link will be posted in group also. You can join from there, but as we are closing, and just keep on practicing. It is about changing yourself. कितना भी knowledge ले ले, आपने 25 साल कॉलेज में पढ़ाई की, 23 साल जब उसको जॉब में अप्लाई किया तभी तो मोनेटाइज हुई. So knowledge का कोई वैल्यू नहीं है if you don't take actions on it. So this is the way we have figured out to help people. कि हम उनको हाथ पकड़ के एटलीस्ट 21 दिन लेके चलें, बिकॉज इट इज सेट कि 21 दिन में हैबिट डेवलप हो जाती है. ऑल्दो इट इज अ पर्सनल थिंग, किसी की 3 दिन में हो जाती है, किसी की 90 दिन में, बट इट इज सेट. सो आई वुड रिकमेंड अगेन टू जॉइन दिस अर्ली मॉर्निंग वर्कशॉप एंड feel the magic. That's all from my side.
Definitely. Thank you.
Sanjeev sir.
Yes.
A short question. So you said about jar, okay? So हम इसे savings account में convert नहीं कर सकते? मतलब savings account खोल लिया, हर महीने हमने पैसे डाल दिए?
कर सकते हैं, बट
कर
उसको
सकते हैं
अलग
ना?
कर लीजिए। अभी बैंकिंग में ऐसी फैसिलिटीज भी होती हैं कि आप सब अकाउंट्स खोल सकते हैं
Right.
विद इन
So
योर
it don't.
अकाउंट।
So it doesn't
You
have to be a
can
physical
create
jar.
a iWish account if you are having like this.
Okay. Okay.
No, I would suggest you go with that physical jar and then
Uh,
deposit it. Or you at least keep some money in that physical jar.
ठीक है.
At least 1 rupee in that jar.
Okay.
But I would like to
Because
add
it is
to
the
this,
way.
Sanjeev. We actually can have both. Uh, Account is beneficial when we are adding 10% of our income. However, jar is very important when we are putting some amount on daily basis. So if we have some change, 1 rupee, 2 rupee, then we cannot add that to the savings account. So in that case, when we
Correct.
have a commitment to add something at least to the jar, then this is handy.
Sure. Thank you. I'll surely implement it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. It was very your answer.
We have to
Thank you so much.
regularly same amount or it can fluctuate. Some day
Fluctuate.
5 rupees, some day 1 rupee, some day 10 rupees. It depends.
हाँ बिल्कुल, it depends.
Or need not, that means need not put the same amount.
लेकिन but I am suggesting, apart from this, I am suggesting start saving at least 10% of your money income,
Okay.
जो कि खर्च नहीं करनी, तो why not put it in here only?
Okay, that's good. Thank you.
It's a personal choice. If you want that कि मुझे वो 10% इतना ज्यादा अमाउंट मेरे को खर्चा ही नहीं करने को मिलेगा, तो आप उसमें 10% सेव करिए और उसमें जार में आप जितने के लिए कंफर्टेबल उतना डालते जाइए।
संजीव सर, एक छोटा क्वेश्चन कि आप भी अपने लाइक इनकम का 10% सेव करते होंगे, राइट?
हाँ।
तो फिर आप गाइड कर सकते हैं कि आप मतलब बैंक्स में कितनी सारी सेविंग्स चीजें होती है, मतलब देयर आर डिफरेंट थिंग्स वेयर यू कैन इन्वेस्ट एंड सेव, तो आप कौन सा इस्तेमाल करते हैं, लाइक व्हिच यू प्रेफर?
आई गॉट योर पॉइंट। मैंने क्या सजेस्ट किया आपको, स्टार्ट लर्निंग ऑन दैट। अभी यू आर वेरी यंग, नेटफ्लिक्स का टाइम फाइनेंशियल मैनेजमेंट को शिफ्ट किया जा सकता है।
ठीक है सर।
और सम पार्ट ऑफ यू हैव दैट पावर। आई नो, बिकॉज 2 साल पहले तक मैं फाइनेंस मैनेजमेंट से डरता था। मैंने लोगों को ऐसे पैसे दिए हैं कि तुम जाके जमा करो, एंड आई सोल्ड अ प्रॉपर्टी इन 72 lakhs व्हिच आई बॉट एट 90 lakhs जस्ट बिकॉज कि मुझे पता ही नहीं था कि कैसे इन्वेस्टमेंट करना चाहिए। सो दीज ऑल थिंग्स ब्रॉट चेंज, एंड यू कैन लर्न, बिलीव मी, इट इज नॉट इतनी बड़ी डील नहीं है।
सर इफ इट इज पॉसिबल इस पे भी हम एक सेशन ले सकते हैं, हाउ टू मैनेज योर मनी, वेयर यू कैन इन्वेस्ट, वेयर कांट यू, आप कितना कमाते हो और उसके हिसाब से आप क्या कर सकते हो।
See, on a personal basis, you know that we are right now fully into stock market.
Yeah.
Because we are creating income from that also. But we can, personal level, we can discuss any day.
True. Yeah, thank you.
Okay, I have a question. Yeah. Mrs. Sanjeev, I'm a housewife. मेरे पैसे आ जाते हैं मगर आधी भाग जाती है जल्दी से। मैं कैसे सेव करूं?
See, आपको 1 रुपए डेली सेव करना is not a problem. और अगर पैसे भाग जाते हैं उसको प्रॉब्लम मत समझिए। अच्छा ये है कि जरूरत पे आ जाते हैं। प्रॉब्लम तब होती है जब जरूरत पे आते नहीं है। पैसा खर्च करना चला जाना इज नॉट a bad thing. देन मैंने जो आपको दी है ना कि आप वो देखो कि कुछ एक्सपेंडिचर्स आप एक्चुअली कर्टेल कर सकते हो क्या, एंड स्टार्ट फिक्सिंग देम, एंड इट विल नॉट हैपन ओवरनाइट।
जी।
और हाउसवाइफ इंडिया में सबसे ज्यादा काला धन वहीं से जमा हुआ था 2.5 लाख रुपए 2016 में। तो डोंट टेल मी आई एम हाउसवाइफ पैसे उड़ जाए।
नहीं, मेरा लाइबिलिटी
नॉट काला धन, कैश, दैट वाज कैश अमाउंट जो लेडीज ने सेव किया हुआ था। एम आई राइट?
हाँ जी, मगर मेरे पास आ जाती है मगर लाइबिलिटी आ जाती है तो मैं मेरा रखती नहीं, मैं सबको नो के लिए कर देती हूँ, इसलिए वही दैट इज द
आप ये
प्रॉब्लम।
मैंने ये जार वाला सिस्टम शुरू कीजिए एंड बी
हाँ जी, हाँ
ग्रेटफुल
जी,
फॉर व्हाटएवर यू हैव एंड सी द मैजिक इन अनदर
हाँ
60
जी
or 90.
जी जरूर जरूर जी, थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू।
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, everybody, for being here. And we'll see you next week in our next week's Midweek Magic Club. Thank you
Thank you,
and good
ma'am.
night.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you
Thank
very
you
much.
so
Thank
much.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Everyone.
Thank you all.
Thank you.
Thank you. Good night. Thank you.
Good night.
Good night.